everyone, this is me, Janine. Today I'll be doing an unboxing, and I've been actually waiting for this because I do collect crystals, and this is one of my favorites. It's called the Aurabloom, and it's a monthly subscription. And yeah, I'm subscribed to the VIP Crystal Club. And what it is, it's you get a free crystal each month, and it's pretty awesome. All you have to do is to pay shipping and handling, and that's pretty much all you do. That's what the VIP Crystal Club is. You just have to pay shipping and handling. But unboxing, I took it out of the box already, but this is what you get right here. It's pretty nice, right? Okay. And here's the crystal that I got this month. I'm getting one next month. It's a labradorite moonstone. It's the meaning and the characteristics of the actual stone itself. Labradorite doesn't shy away from beauty, grace, mysticism, and great healing powers. While sometimes the world can strip us from our needed energy and precious resources, labradorite teaches us how to bring life energy to all areas of the soul, from the body to the mind and those deep, hard to reach corners that keep us in balance. It's a stone that shows the way of self-soothing, artistic ambition, cosmic energy, and enhancing our own mental clarity. Take a look at all the ways in which labradorite is considered the stone of transformation, right? And once I got this, I mean, I've already had ambition anyway, and I've already had goals in my life as well. But this stone is like, you can, like, once you actually feel it, you like put it in your hand and actually feel the energy of it. It gives you a spark, you know what I mean? A spark of imagination, a spark of inspiration. You know, it's incredibly grounding. You know, you can actually feel the heartbeat. You can actually feel the heartbeat in the stone itself. But this is the unboxing, right? And it gives you these two little cards, right? This one, and then there's this one right here, right? It gives you one on one side. It says your feedback and participation in our VIP club is much appreciated. Thank you so much. Enjoy our new exclusive crystal you receive from us for free every single month. All that we ask for is your honest feedback about our crystal you receive. All our crystals are ethically sourced and are blessed by singing bowls before they're shipped. We strive to provide you the best crystals possible. That's on one side. The other side gives you the description of the stone that you actually got. And then it says, we'll love to hear your feedback about this crystal. Please go to the link below and fill out a quick survey to share your thoughts. Right? Aurabloom.com/pages/feedback. Right? On the other card, want to win $300 worth of crystals? Every month we are packing a little VIP to receive 300 or more worth of crystals. How to enter into the monthly drawing. Number one, post an unboxing video on TikTok or Instagram on what you received as a VIP for the month. Posting on both increases your chance of winning. Number two, tag our accounts and use the hashtag Aurabloom. If you win, we'll receive a direct message or email from us, right? And then on the back, there's a bonus. Here at Aurabloom, we take value in our VIP members. For that reason, we want to go above and beyond to deliver our VIPs best experience possible. In order to say thank you for providing us your feedback on our crystals, we're giving you access to our crystal healing ebook for free. This ebook is typically sold on our website for $14.95. In this ebook, we will walk you through how to balance and restore your energy for improved emotional and physical well-being through the use of our crystals. Use the link below to access our free ebook. So when you actually purchase the the VIP, crystals club, you'll receive like 2 or 3 free things. I already got the free ebook, which is awesome, because like I said, I've been collecting crystals about over 20 years. So I have a good collection of them. And yeah, they're legit. They are legit. And it is 100% worth it. I recommend this, and I think you should go and get it. It's a really awesome club. So I think you guys should go and purchase the VIP club 100%. So this would be the wrapping up of the unboxing. I hope you guys liked it, and subscribe and like and share this out. I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye.